Cheers, Chief Meteorologist Rachel Frank joining us now. Rachel, we're just happy to see that rain melting all that ice we got.
Yes, and we get a brief break in the weather department during the day tomorrow before we are right back at it heading into your Friday. Kind of a perfect storm, the DOT is calling it. They were kind of waiting for precipitation to start falling before they ended up treating. And by the time they ended up starting treating, it was too late. There was way too many people out on the roadways. Very slippery, and just the videos coming out from this morning are quite frankly frightening, and hopefully everybody's all right. Taking a look at where we are right now, just some showers. As Carmen mentioned, temperatures have climbed above freezing. There is no longer an icing concern out there for this evening, but we still have rain here in eastern Connecticut. Let's talk about Friday now and kind of look ahead. When does this all begin? Late tomorrow night, which is technically Friday because it'll be after midnight to about 2 o'clock in the morning for the western half of the state. It may take until about 3 a.m. for eastern Connecticut, and it all wraps up during the morning on Friday as early as 9 a.m. for parts of western Connecticut, but it may take until 11 or 12 to finish for parts of eastern Connecticut. So getting started late tomorrow night and finishing by lunchtime or earlier heading into your Friday. How much snow are we expecting? About 2 to 4 inches for most of the state. Just in case you're looking at various forecast outlets and you're looking at the National Weather Service, we're going with exactly their forecast on this one. We agree with them. I think there will be a lot of 3s and 4s kind of in this area for central and western Connecticut, but we could get up to 5 or 6 inches for parts of eastern Connecticut where it is possible that there's some heavier snow banding. So there's obviously some uncertainty as to just how far west that snow banding makes it, and also the shape of it. Sometimes you can get a band that sets up kind of randomly through the middle of the state. And is there still some wiggle room here? Of course, if the storm trends a little bit farther offshore, it's more like a 1 to 3 for us. And if it trends a little bit farther west or stronger, it's more like a widespread 3 to 6. But right now, I think we've got a pretty good handle on the fact that we are going to get a widespread accumulating snowfall that will peak right around the morning commute with reduced visibility and also slippery roads, which is something that we do not want to repeat of, although, again, no ice this time around. Temperatures right now are in the 30s to right around 40 degrees. We'll see slowly clearing skies after that rain pushes out of here, with low temperatures tonight in the low to mid 30s. Tomorrow, calm, quiet, partly cloudy skies. High temperatures will be in the mid to upper 30s, and the evening commute is quiet as well. Here's that snow beginning to develop and kind of blossom again after midnight tomorrow night as you're sleeping and you are waking up to a winter wonderland. This is 6:30 in the morning. Temperatures are in the 20s. That snow will be cold enough to stick to everything. And then as we head through the morning, that snow will slowly taper off. And as we head through the middle of the day into the afternoon on Friday, we'll even get to see a bit of sunshine. It will be breezy. We're not expecting damaging winds, though. But again, for the morning commute, reduced visibility and slippery roads. High temperatures in the afternoon on Friday, climbing into the lower to middle 30s. The next thing to watch after that is going to be during the day on Sunday, when it looks like we've got some rain moving in. Temperatures might be just cold enough for a mix, and I think the computer model is doing a good job of showing the greatest risk for a mix would be in the higher elevations of northwest and northeast Connecticut. If you do have travel plans during the day on Sunday, keep an eye on that, but luckily it's Sunday and it's not going to affect a commute, so yay for that. After that, temperatures get colder as we head into next week. How much colder? High temperatures only in the teens, lows in the single digits. Remember that cold we were dealing with yesterday morning? Pales in comparison to what we have on the way, guys.
All perspective.